This is Ace Airsoft team, and we're doing a unboxing of the Labor Day edition box of Awesomeness. This came in about 2 days ago, and we've been waiting for everyone to join up, and we're going to open it up. Okay, here we go. Hopefully I don't damage anything inside. Okay. Okay. Oh shit. Oh! Okay, so, right off the bat, this is not the gun I was hoping for, but I got the SG 552 Commando, and we got a speed loader, hatch, what is this? Oh, there are only a couple of these are little pins. Got a thank you note. And the gun I was actually hoping for. No, I got it. I got it.
Oh, a King's Arms.
Yes.
That's the shit.
Don't drop it.
I'm not going to, hopefully. Okay. So we're gonna open these? Or, yeah. Okay, so let's start with actually the SIG first.
You just pull it out.
There's something stuck in the bottom. Okay, so I have a, what is this, double eagle version of this, but this one off the bat looks way better.
Does it matter?
Oh, it even comes with a battery. About the same weight as my double eagle version. Doesn't have this, the bolt catch. Nice durable plastic. I can put this back up there. Yeah, it folds up.
Put a mag in, boy.
Smaller mag. I have another mag for on these. That's so strange. Doesn't feel like it locks in very well. It's because it's not. Okay, that's strange. Comes with a 8.4 battery and a charger.
You might as well just throw that charger away.
Yeah,
Yeah, just
really.
throw it in the box. We don't need it.
Okay, unjamming rod, probably really bad BBs. Okay, so that out of the way. I really want to put this mag in. And I'm
Tell
not
us a
gonna
little bit about the gun here.
It's, I don't know, I have a plastic version of this. It's basically this, and slightly less durable plastic. This one has better markings on it. I read the reviews for this one. It has decent reviews, decent FPS. This will be a good little gun to mess with, maybe give it a paint job, and figure out how to actually put the magazine in. Okay, so let me clear off the table. Now this one's actually open, which actually worries me. I remember by unboxing review of this one, you have to put this one together. Yep, this is going to take some putting together. Okay, so this one, I read the reviews, and this has a really strange magazine. I forgot how to put it together, so this is the bolt, and then this is the gun stock.
Spring?
Okay, so, yeah, full spring.
That's metal, right?
Yeah, this is very durable plastic on the stock, full metal. Looks like some metal on the sides too. Okay. Oh, this is an Allen.
I think you probably get it.
Let's see how we put this together.
You want some help, Harry, son?
Please. Okay.
Alright, let's get on to your impressions.
Yep.
I want to
Very. It's a well, right off the back, very front heavy, but if I'm gonna probably throw a bipod on this. Really strange bipod assembly. What happened to the part? Shoot, there's a part, you have to slide it in, put it on. I don't have a bipod for it right now, but very front heavy. It's a really strange design, but oddly comfortable with the shoulder. Like, I don't know, like its hand goes in nice and easy. This is adjustable cheek riser. I forgot how you do it. There's like yeah, right here. You can adjust it right here. And what I'm not a big fan of is that the bolt just comes back. It doesn't. You can't flip it up or anything. It just comes back. So that's going to be an odd thing to get used to. This would probably take my scope wherever it is. But yeah, so far a really nice gun. A little strange looking, but I'm probably going to give it a paint job. I don't know yet. I really like the texture on this. Very nice durable plastic. Very nice metal parts. I'm glad I got this. Very nice gun. Okay, so
Cool.
should I just sign off?
Yeah.
Okay. So thank you for watching this unboxing video. We'll see you all later. Bye bye.
Ace Airsoft.
Ace Airsoft.
Ace Airsoft.
I don't have any green shit on me.
Where's the cat? Shoot me with it.
Not yet. Should I shoot him?
Shoot in the ass.
Just bent straight off. Lubricate it first. I'm scared.
Hey, look away.
Yeah, I'll shoot it in midair.
Do it.
Throw it, I'll shoot it.
Cover your eyes.
You forgot. Oh, the cat flew over there.
Oh fuck.
My pants.
Keep it cheeky. Keep it freaky, gado. You squat like this, like man. You see this? This is what you need. Then you take long, sexy rifle, hold it at waist. Then you shoot. Nothing comes out. Okay. Follow me, comrades. Towards the enemy.